Patient falls are one of the preventable risks in healthcare. Occurs quite often in the healthcare settings, and it has variable outcomes. First of all, to patient care, of course, to the quality of care that we are providing to our patients, but also there are some financial implications. So, as we presented here in ECR this year, in Affidea, we are working on a complete program in order to avoid and to decrease this very important preventable risk in healthcare. So, first of all, we are working with our teams in the countries. We're developing a plan to create a safe environment in our centers for the patients to avoid this risk. Secondly, of course, we have our policies and procedures in place. We're training our people on these very important matters, so our employees can identify the patients that are at a risk of falling and act accordingly. We are doing our internal audits, focusing on this plan exactly to ensure the safe environment. We have our mitigation actions and improvement actions in the centers, which are followed up on an ordinary basis. And of course, we have our Affidea safety campaign program, in which we are training people, reminding people about this very important topic, and we are discussing with them ways to decrease it. Incident management in general is a complex process, and it's multi-parametric also. So it involves a lot of people and a lot of processes in it. The way we are doing it in Affidea, we do an analysis of all the clinical incidents in all 15 countries on a monthly basis. We are focusing on those where we have mitigation actions and they can be followed up. So we are working, first of all, with the country team, with the team involved in the incident, to see the root cause analysis, what happened, why it happened, and what we can do to mitigate this risk and to decrease the possibility of this to happen again in the future. We are identifying the mitigating actions, and we are developing a clear action plan with the team, with responsibilities and timeframes. And this plan is followed up on a regular basis to ensure that the implementation is on time. All the incidents are shared on the HQ level with everybody in the group. Also, the important incidents are shared with the other countries anonymously, of course, to learn from each other, to see what happens in one country can happen in another, what we can do to avoid it, and what should be done in everywhere to ensure that we are providing a safe environment for our patients. Yes, implementation of the international standards on quality is a complex process which involves a lot of teams, a lot of people, a lot of processes. So first of all, you need to have a leadership team in place which ensures the good implementation of the quality. We have quality teams in the countries which are doing an amazing job ensuring quality and collaborating with each other, but also with the HQ. We have our policies and procedures in place based on these international standards to ensure safety in our centers, training of the personnel continuously on the quality processes and procedures, definition of KPIs, quality KPIs, which will ensure the good monitoring of the processes, internal audits, where we are checking the quality processes in our centers and in our countries, external audits from well-accredited bodies, of course, exchange of good practice between the personnel, incident management on a monthly basis, like we said earlier, and of course, open communication between the teams, between the people, so we share good practice and we are going, all of us, towards our goal, which is improving quality of our services.